Hello everyone, I'm Nitin and welcome back to my channel. In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how you can make text pop in while you are talking, similar to the effect you are watching right now. People think this effect is difficult, but today I will teach you in an easy way in my style. So without further ado, let's start. So this is my screen and I already imported two of my things. One is the background and the second one is the voiceover. And in this video, voiceover is important because it is the one which we have to make this effect. Now we increase the size of it, as you can see, so we can see peak easily. Now play it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, then make sure you subscribe to it. So as you can see here, now what we have to do is I'll just zoom out in the clip and I need a legacy title. For that I'll go to the file, click on file, go to new, and there you find the legacy title. Click on it and there you can see a window. Click on OK, and here we have to make our titles, or what we have to write on our video. And in this mainly we have to write the lyrics, or I would say what I say. So let's start. This is what I say. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And let's see, you don't have to do more than 4 lines. Here I use 3 lines, so I'll center it up, give it a good font which is Sajan UI, because it has so many options. Now I'll click increase the size of it. Now I individually change the font of every word like this and adjust it as well. Now let's see, welcome back, I'll just give it semi light, and for my channel I'll give it the black bold. Okay, it's the biggest bold option, and I'll give the vertical space and make it the center. Now I'll click on text, I'll do some increase in size. Now you can also change the color as well. I'll use this color for my channel, and this color, a yellow color for hello. So you can choose any color which you want. Now cross it. Now here we have our first title. Now simply drag or drop to the timeline. So for this, what we do is we have to copy or duplicate it by 2 times. So click Alt and duplicate it. So because it has 3 lines, so we have to duplicate it 2 times. So we got 3 titles. So now go to the effect section, type crop and put that effect on 3 of the title sequence. Okay, now what we have to do is just toggle eye section off of first 2 and click on the first one. Now as you can see there in the effects control panel, you got this crop tool. Now we have to crop both the 2 lines. So I'll just zoom in so I can see these peaks of my voice. Now I'll first adjust this and go to the first frame. There you can see I have to do everyone to be removed. So I'll go there and toggle animation on. I'll remove that everyone in the background and do 1 frame forward and replace it once again, just like this. So it comes when I talk about everyone. This is the first line, and now we have to go to the second line. We just do same. Now click on the second title, and as you can see we just want welcome back. So what I do is I'll remove the top and remove the bottom. It's only welcome back. Now we have to adjust it with our voice. Now here is the welcome. So I think this is the welcome. I'll just decrease it to this extent. Now here I see this is the back. Now what I do the same, toggle animation on and remove the back and 1 frame forward, and then put it again to 0. Okay, now our welcome back is come when I say welcome back. Now the third time we do the same, we go to the third section, toggle it on and go to the crop section, and now we need only the third line. So we remove the first and second line, so we get the third line. I'll decrease the size of that sequence just like this. Now what I do is I'll just zoom in and we'll see where is tool, toggle animation on, and remove my. I'll just go one frame forward and get my back. And when did I say channel here? So I'll toggle animation on and get my channel as well. So here you can see this is the basic. Now I'll off the toggle animation of eye. As you can see, as I talk, my words are popping. Now let's do the rest of the things. I'll just forward from right here so you can get some idea new. Do some forwarding. You have to do the same steps every time. I have something for you in this. What I do is I'll do the 4 lines. Don't do more than 4 lines, it will mess it up everything. So I'll do here 4 lines. Now click on do the same steps what we do before. Give them a different look give them bold look, give them thin look. You can also give them the bigger bold black look. And now you have to do the change the colors if you want. Now cross it. Now this is the second title. I'll just put it on the timeline as you can see there. Now I zoom in, okay, and there you can see the peaks of my voice. Now do the same. We have to match it with our title templates. Now click on the first one and you have to copy it 4 times because we have 4 lines. As you can see, I'm copying it or duplicating it. As you can see, we got these 4 title layer. Okay, now go to effects, crop section, put that crop on these 4 titles just like this. Now toggle eye animation on and do the same what we do before. This is the before we do the basics, and that's all you need to learn about it. After it, you do anything for this. You make some new effects by your own. Okay, now let's see what we just do. I'm just fast forwarding it. I'll just remove the bad part here. Okay, now I off the I button of every clip and let's see, render it first and let's see. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, then make sure you subscribe to it. So this is as simple as I can explain you. If you find this difficult, then may put your questions down below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and let's meet in the next video.